Good morning students. Today we'll start fourth chapter of class 10. It is quadratic equation. First of all, what is quadratic equation? You know about quadratic polynomial, right? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial in class 9. What was quadratic polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is 2, then that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial, right? That means if the polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real number and a not equal to 0, then that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Now, what is quadratic equation? Okay, a equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0 is said to be quadratic equation of variable x. Since in the place of variable I used x, that's why this is a quadratic equation of variable x. Okay, as you can see here, the degree of the polynomial of the left hand side is 2. Okay, so this kind of expression is called quadratic equation, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Okay, so here is some example. Suppose 3x square plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. 3, 9, 20 is real number. Okay, and as you can see, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, therefore this is a quadratic equation of variable x. Now second, here 16 minus 36 is real number. The degree of the polynomial of the left hand side is 2. So this is a quadratic equation of variable y, because here now I used the variable y. Okay, now look at the third equation. Suppose I have written here root 2. Okay, the coefficient of t square is 1. This is minus root 2. This is plus 1. Again, they all are real numbers, and here the coefficient is 1, right, and it is not equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation of variable t. Okay, now here is some example. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. First of all, look at the first example. L into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Okay, so now I will solve this one. That means I have to simplify this one. I have to check this is quadratic equation or not. Okay, this is the given condition. I am doing the simple multiplication. 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. Take all this term in the same side. Okay, that means take these two terms in the left side, that is 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 equal to 0, that is x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Why? Because the degree is 2 and the coefficient of x is 1, which is not equal to 0. That's why it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay, now look at this example. When you are first looking at this example, what you can see? You can see this is a cubic polynomial in the right side. In the left side, it is also a cubic polynomial, right? X plus 2 whole cube. If you expand that one, you will get x cube as the first term. Similarly, here is also x cube minus 4. So if you look at the first time, you can make the conclusion that this will be a cubic polynomial. Now look at the solution. X plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. Now I am expanding this side with the help of a plus b whole cube identity. Okay, it will be x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to x cube minus 4. As you can see, since this is an equation and x cube and x cube is common on the both sides, you can cancel this two. So the remaining will be 6x square plus 12x plus 8, and this will be plus 4 equal to 0. So 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0, that is x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Again the degree is 2 and the coefficient is 1, which is not equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. So as you can see, it is looking like a cubic equation, but when you are simplifying this one, it will become a quadratic equation. Okay. Now look at the third example. X plus 1 x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x plus 2 x minus 2. If you expand this one, it will be x square plus x plus 8 equal to, this is a plus b a minus b formula, that's why it is x square minus 4. As you can see, again x square and x square is common on the both side. You will cancel this one, so you will get x plus 8 equal to minus 4, that is x plus 12 equal to 0. Now here you can write this equation as 0 into x square plus x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, that means you can say that the degree of this equation is 1. That means this equation is a linear equation, and the coefficient of x square, if you look at this equation, the coefficient of x square is 0. But what was the condition? The coefficient of x square cannot be equal to 0, right? But here it is equal to 0, okay, which does not satisfy the condition of quadratic equation. That's why it is not a quadratic equation. In this way, if this type of question is given, check whether the following is quadratic equation or not. First of all, you have to simplify this type of expression, and then you have to make your conclusion that it is quadratic or not. So this is the introduction about quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Example of quadratic equation. How can you check expression is quadratic or not? Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.